Update on that, Suzanne. Now, the storms that woke us up yesterday caused severe weather off to our east. And this is video from Alabama where multiple possible tornadoes hit last night. You can see a lot of the damage down power lines, and one person was sent to the hospital. There were also tornado reports in neighboring Mississippi yesterday as well. And the National Weather Service confirms an EF-1 tornado ripped through Rockwall County yesterday morning. You can see it was strong enough to do some damage there also, and that was part of that line that rolled through yesterday. And we were talking about that possibility of those brief spin-ups, and that's exactly what we did have in Rockwall, that southeastern portion of Rockwall County. You can see that was near the McClendon-Chisholm area there in the Bluebonnet Ranch neighborhood. Now, that was only on the ground for 2 minutes, so it was very brief. Strong enough, though, to do that EF-1 damage, 100-mile-per-hour winds, less than a half a mile in length. So it was a brief, not on the ground long at all, and only a 50-yard path there. So that kind of speaks to the limitations that we're talking about sometimes with the Doppler radar, especially in the situations like we saw yesterday with the radar beam traveling away from the radar site. In this case, roughly 55, 60 miles away from the radar site there. And that beam can hit too high in the storm to pick up that low-level rotation. So a lot of times in those situations, that brief spin up that we talk about can be missed. And that was the case yesterday. There was no warning associated with that, but we did talk about the possibility of the brief spin ups. And that's exactly what we did see once they went out and did the damage survey on yesterday. Fortunately, all that is behind us for now, so we're not dealing with any strong or severe thunderstorms in the forecast. So we'll talk more about that for you getting into the weekend coming up. But now